Something weird. You got me begging, begging down on my knees. I don't wanna be needing your love. It's when you're away. Oh baby, I don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. Come on everybody, let's go. Sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here. 'Cause I need little love, a little sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life.
The sugar, yes please.
Won't you come and put it down on me? My broken pieces, you think I'm wrong. You get me hanging, hanging, come give me some, yeah.
When I'm without you, I'm so insecure. You are the one thing
I'm aiming for. I don't wanna be needing your love. I just wanna be deep in your love. And it's scary when you're away. Oh baby, I don't care where you are. I just wanna be there where you are. And I gotta get one little thing. Your sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I'm right here. 'Cause I need you. Lord, sympathy. Yeah, you show me good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. Your sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? Your sugar, yes please. Won't you come and put it down on me? I love you, man.
It's way too soon, I know this isn't love.
But I need to tell you something.
I really like you. I want you, do you want me, do you want me to? I really like you. And I want you, do you want me, do you want me to? Oh, things say too much, I'm so in my head.
Everything you say is a sweet revelation. All I wanna do is get into your head.
Yeah, we could stay alone, you and me in temptation. Sipping on your lips, hanging on by the thread. Baby, late night watching television. But how we get in this position? It's way too soon, I know this isn't love. But I want to tell you something. I really like you. And I want you, you want me to. I really like you. And I want you, you want me to. Oh, you say too much. I
sweetest of the night. The chemical, physical kryptonite. Help us to the face and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together.
He took my arm, I don't know how we got it. He took the floor and said,
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up, friend, dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up, friend, dance with me. About this dress and some Venus, my discotheque, Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together.
he took my arm, I don't know how it happened. He took the floor and said,
Let's go! Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the night. The chemical, physical kryptonite. Helpless to face and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together.
he took my arm,
I don't know how it happened.
he took the floor and said,
Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me. Shut up and dance with me.
Isa pa, sandali lang. Kamustahin natin sila. Kamusta mo kayo lahat?
You guys really good!
Sa likod po, kamusta kayo? Ayan, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta. Are you guys enjoying?
You guys doing fun?
do you want more?
Sandali! Sinong may gusto ng kiss kay Enrique?
Kiss Garcia!
Sige. Pero bago po ang lahat. Uy,
We just want to thank everybody for coming out here tonight. Maraming salamat po talaga. Grabe. So we love NYC. It's actually, it's my first time here coming to Liza, and we love NYC. Man! Times Square is crazy. I love it here, guys.
first time kung nag-ikot last night. First time yun, first time.
Oh.
First time nalikot ni Sian, pero hulaan niyo nung oras siya umuwi. Anong oras? Di ba, New York is the city that never sleeps? Tanong niyo si Sian.
On the spot talaga. 9:30 po, inantok na po ako.
Nahingal ako. Sino dito ang mga Bisaya? Wala, ang dami. Para nasa Cebu yata ako. Sino ang Ilocano? Grabe, kumakalat pala sila. Ang mga Ilonggo! Damo man. Ano? Ewan ko. Damo man. Sino taga Bacolod? Wow, pero sino pinakamarami? Sino mga waray-waray? Kay ano man damo ka mo nga di. Ano inyong ginabuhat? Tama ba? Hindi yata. Mali. Mga sangkay na mali. Bisaya nila, no? I think mas maraming Bisaya. Ulitin natin. Sino ang mga Bisaya? Mga Ilonggo! Ilocano! 4, and 5 pa pala tayo. Okay. Group 1, let me hear you! Group 2! And 3! Parang kakainin nila. Halloween na ba? Group 4! Eh, yung number 5! Parang nakita ko na yung tonsil mo, ate. Parang may thyroid. Parang it's either 3, 4, or 5. Pagkitapat ko to, ha? 1, 2, group 3! Oh my God! Parang ang dami nakapag-breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Anong kinain mo dito? Ay, agad-agad ni Jollibee ba dito? Sige, sa harap or sa likod? Painggan nga natin, nasa likod. Sa likod! Sa harap! Grabe, ate. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Naku, huwag kayo mag-away. Huwag maging friendship over. Isuot nyo na lang dalawa. Isang butas, dalawang ulo. Pang Halloween costume na rin yun. Isa ba? Gusto nyo ba? Sino dito nanood ng Etiquette for Mistress? Wait lang. Huwag ko lang si China ko. Meron pa ako isa! Tapos na yung number 5. Si 1, 2, 3, and 4 na lang. Tita, hi tita. Do you believe in forever? Kawawa naman. Sige na nga, tita. So, tita, gano'n ka nakatagal dito sa Welcome to New York?
7 years.
Ay, hindi pa ako napanganak. Magjowa pa lang yung mama ko tsaka papa ko nun. Hindi na kayo mauwi, tita?
Uuwi niya.
Sa bahay niyo o sa Pilipinas? Akala ko dito lang kasi kayo eh. Buti naman nagsagot mo sa umuwi din. Eh, bakit na? Sige. Bakit inaamoy niyo po pag nagkikis? Mabango, pawis, luno. May ampo po ba kayo? May apo? O, ako na lang po, ha? Akin na po yung jacket niyo, yung kwintas niyo, yung buko. Trade-in tayo. Thank you. Ayan, may tanong ako. Sino dito yung single? Sino ang status sa Facebook? Ay, ikaw ha? Single ka? Kuya? Wala kang asawa? Wala kang jowa? Ilang taon ka na? Wala, nag-red siya. O, pwede ka na pang Halloween costume, pumpkin. Ilang taon ka na? Sayang naman. Uy, available siya. What's your name, kuya? Chris Aquino. Ilan taon ka na? 25? 25? Paa? Okay. Sino dito yung walang boyfriend and girlfriend? Alam mo, ikaw kuya, huwag ka talaga mag-single-single ha? Lagot ka talaga sa asawa. Carmi ang aabutin mo. It's okay sa asawa, may boyfriend ka no? Ikaw ate. Boyfriend, girlfriend. Sige, sino dito ang may asawa? Proud and about. My next song is para sa mga naghihintay na maging double at hindi maging single. This song is for you. This is entitled Darating Din. Wala ko mga kamay dyan! Sa isipan, dati-dati ay pasulyat-sulyat lang. Tagal ko rin naghihintay, tagal ko rin sumasablay. Hindi mo ay inaasam, ba't mo ba'y hindi mo ba alam? kayo sa performance ko po? Kasi parang nandito na pagpapawis ko sa chan ko. Nandito ba si Mr. Right? Kasama niyo ba ang Mr. Right din yan? Hindi. Nasaan sila? Oh, sweet! Gano'n na kayo katagal, ma'am? Ang galing. What's your secret to a long-lasting marriage? Honesty? Honesty? Sexy? Ay! Sexy! Yes, dear? Yes. Sa itlogis? Yung pula sa itlog? Ala, tawag-tawa siya. Bakit? Nandito ba si Mr. Right? May isa pa ako eh. Last na lang to. Last na lang ba to, May isa pa ako. Ay, wag yung mistress kasi hindi siya dapat magkaroon ng mistress. Sino dito? Pwede ilawan natin? Yung may pinakamatagal na marriage in life. 41? Grabe. O sige na nga, hindi ko na papahabain. Parang gusto mo na, mami. Okay, go. Meron na lang last. Hello, ayan, ganito pala kaliwanag. Hi! Kung sino yung may pinaka... Miss, ikaw, mistress, gusto mo? Ikaw talaga. Kung sino may pinakamalakas sa sigaw, doon ko ihagis ko. Are you guys ready? Ready na kayo? Okay, group 1! Group 2! I want group 3! 4! 5! Bakit kayo na lang lagi? Ito na lang ihagis ko sa inyo, Ben. Napigat eh. Wait ha. Agad naman. 1, 2, 3! Ay, si ate oh. Kiss mo na sa lips. Kiss mo na sa lips. Eh! Wala silang pakipot, no? Parang sige na nga. Sadya na nga. Naku, wala na po. Ito na lang short. Okay lang. O ito na lang. Nakasya ba to? Ito ang next song ko. Sino dito ang naghahanap ng Mr. Right? Ay, walang may gusto ng Mr. Right? Sino ang nahanap na si Mr. Right? Wow, buti pa kayo. Ay, ako ba? Oh, buti pa ako. Okay, this next song is para sa mga naghahanap ng Mr. Right and meron ng Mr. Right. Or confused pa. Sino ang confused? Wala naman. Okay lang.
Love you guys. Love you guys. Man! Hindi ako nakakuha. Ngayon na lang, babawi ako. Usually naman po kasi nakakuha ako. Pwede ba makakuha? Kaya niyo pa makit? Kaya niyo pa makit? Kaya niyo pa talaga na? Kaya niyo po? Tagal. Habang... Nakatingin sa akin yung pulis! Guys, kailangan ko po lang makasama dito sa stage. Wala ka talaga eh. Ha? Shake hands lang? Sino kaya? Luksoy mo na, please! Luksoy mo na! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1! Oh, wow! Okay. Ayan na. Nakalusot tayo. Nagagalit na, please. Ano ba pangalan niyo? Fair. Ate Fair. Dito tayo. What's your name po? Fair lang po. May boyfriend na po ba si Fair?
May asawa.
Ay! May asawa na. Nasaan po asawa ninyo?
Nasa Maryland.
Maryland. That's very far. He's not here.
Oh, wala siya dito.
Can I ask for a kiss? Is it okay? Okay lang po sa inyo? Okay. Pakis naman siya, no? Joke lang. Maraming salamat. Okay, maraming salamat. Oh, so, okay lang. Okay, tutulungan natin pa ba? Nakatingin sa ating mga polis. Upo lang po. Yeah, upo lang. Hey, okay. Sit down. You're good. Oh. Ay, ayaw daw. The stairs daw. Thank you. Lago tayo. Habang hindi pa po siya shut down yung shoes.
Don't even go, don't even stop.
Again.